A beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. The internet has opened doors to incredible opportunities, and affiliate marketing stands tall among them. Imagine earning money by recommending products you genuinely love. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, we'll delve into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, equipping you with the knowledge to become a pro.
What is affiliate marketing? It's a revenue-sharing game where you, the affiliate, promote another company's products or services. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. In affiliate marketing, businesses gain reach and sales, affiliates profit from their passion, and customers find trusted product recommendations.
Key players in the affiliate game. Merchant, the company offering the products or services and providing affiliate programs. Affiliate, you as the promoter, who uses your platform such as Webeast to recommend products. Customer, the individual who clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase.
Choosing your niche. Success hinges on picking a niche you're passionate about. This ensures genuine recommendations and resonates with your audience. Popular niches include tech and gaming, review gadgets, software, and games. Fashion and beauty, showcase trendy outfits, makeup tutorials, and skincare routines. Travel and lifestyle, share travel tips, product recommendations, and lifestyle hacks.
Building your platform, or website or blog. Create valuable content that organically incorporates affiliate links. Social media, leverage Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok to engage your audience and showcase products. Email marketing, build an email list and nurture leads with targeted campaigns.
Affiliate marketing strategies, product reviews, offer in depth. Honest reviews highlighting product benefits. Comparison guides, help your audience choose the best product by comparing options. Tutorial videos, create engaging videos demonstrating product usage and value. Social media stories, utilize features like Instagram stories and TikTok to showcase products in action. Remember, transparency is key. Disclose your affiliate relationships clearly to build trust with your audience. Focus on value, don't just promote, educate, entertain, and solve your audience's problems. Track your results, analyze data to understand what's working, and optimize your strategies. Ready to start? With dedication and the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and fulfilling journey. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So research, experiment, and have fun promoting products you love. This video is just the starting point. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep conquering the commerce game with affiliate marketing. Visit www.itechpng.com for more information.